Are your SAP Business Objects reports slowing you down, making it harder to access insights and respond quickly to business needs? SAP Business Objects has been a powerful enterprise reporting tool. But today's data driven world demands faster, more flexible, and highly interactive analytics. Migrating to Power BI often means rebuilding reports from scratch, rewriting queries, and manually validating every dataset. A process that is time consuming, costly, and error prone. But what if you could transition to Power BI without the complexity, delays, or risk? Introducing Pulse Convert, an AI-powered migration platform designed to seamlessly convert SAP BO business objects reports into Power BI dashboards. Simply upload your SAP business objects reports. Pulse Convert intelligently analyzes report structures, universes, queries, and data models. Then automatically transforms them into fully functional Power BI dashboards, preserving logic, relationships, and accuracy. No manual coding required. High-fidelity conversion minimizes rework, supports complex enterprise reporting environments, all within a secure, scalable, and enterprise-grade platform. What once took weeks or even months can now be completed in minutes, reducing migration costs, eliminating errors, and accelerating your analytics transformation. Unlock interactive dashboards, real-time insights, and a modern analytics experience with Power BI, empowering your teams to make faster, smarter decisions. It's time to move beyond legacy reporting and embrace intelligent analytics. Pulse Convert, migrate smarter, modernize faster, and unlock the full power of Power BI